Hello friends, I'm back with new video. So today we will learn assignment operators. Okay, this is the third video of operators. You can check out the previous operators if you have not checked earlier. So that assignment operator, from its name you can understand, it is used to assign the values. Okay, so just like if you are writing a equals to 10, so you are assigning a value 10 to variable a. That is why this equals to is also comes under assignment operator. Okay, this is the first type we have. And for example, if you are having this a equal to 20 value and b equal to 30 value, then if you are writing a equals to b, then that means you are assigning the value of b to variable a. So a becomes 30. Initially it is a equal to 20 here, but if you are writing a equal to b, then value of b is shifted in a variable and a becomes 30 now. This is the first type. Secondly, if you are writing plus equals to, that is working like this, a equal to a plus b. That means the value of the another variable is going to be add with the first one. So this is called add and assignment. The description of this operator and explanation you can read here, that adds value to the left side operand, okay, here to right side operand and assign the result to the right side operand, such as this a equal to a plus b. So if you are writing this thing or if you are writing this thing, the answer will remain same and a becomes here, this a becomes here 50. For example, if you are writing a equal to a plus b, and previously like you have seen here, the values of a and b are there. Initially a is 20 and b is 30. So if I am writing like this, that means 20 plus 30, and these values are shifted here in the left side, so that a will become 50, which you have seen here. Just like that, if we are writing minus equals to, so the minus operation is going to be performed with the another variable. Okay, so if we have a equal to 20 and b equal to 30, and if we are writing like this, and this is looking by this way also, so that 20 minus 30 will become minus 10, right? So the minus 10 answer will be there. Then after we have multiply equals to, basically we are writing like this, a equal to a multiplied by b. So the value of 20 multiplied with 30, whatever the answer is, that will be revert back to a. So a equals to 600, as you can see here. And in the last also, divide equal to, that is also working like this, a equal to a divided with b. So a becomes 0 because 20 here and 30 here, so we cannot directly, like that will coming into the points, because if we are taking 0 here, so that point is coming here, then after the answer will be coming, but initially it is 0 answer before the point. So this is how the assignment operators are working, and in this we are assigning the values either by adding, either by subtracting, multiply and division, and simply you can assign the values also by this way. So this is what assignment operator is, and these are the symbols which is comes under these operators, and the variables which are used with them is called operand, as you already know. So thanks for watching the video and see you in the next one. Take care.